We live in an era called the information age. New technology is emerging every day to make life simpler, more advanced, and better for everyone. The rate at which technology is evolving is almost exponential today. For business organizations, new technology helps to reduce costs, enhance customer experiences, and increase profits. In this video, we are talking about top 5 new innovations. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more. Let's get started. Number 1. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, uses multiple software and applications to automate business processes, such as data collection and analysis, customer service, and other repetitive tasks managed previously through manual processes. Like AI and machine learning, RPA is a rapidly advancing technology that automates many jobs across different industries. McKinsey has analyzed that fewer than 5% of jobs today can be entirely automated, but nearly 60% can be automated at least partially. Number 2. Edge computing. Today, millions of data points are collecting user information from various sources, such as social media, websites, emails, and web searches. As the amount of data collected increases exponentially, other technologies like cloud computing fall short in several situations. As more organizations adopted cloud computing, they found several limitations in the technology. Edge computing helps to bypass the latency that cloud computing causes and helps organizations to get data into a data center for processing. It can exist on edge, in the sense that it is closer to where the data processing will ultimately take place. Edge computing is used to process time-sensitive data in far-off locations with limited or no connectivity. Number 3. Blockchain. Blockchain was popularized in the context of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and the security it provides. However, it offers security that can be useful in several other ways as well. Blockchain can be defined as data that you can only add to, not take away or alter. It results in many sections of data which form a chain, hence the name blockchain. The fact that existing data cannot be altered or removed makes blockchain a highly secure technology. Blockchains are consensus-driven, which means no single person or organization can take control of the data. There is no need for a third party to oversee transactions. Number 4. Internet of Behaviors. This is one of the fastest-growing industry trends and has found applications in nearly every industry. IoT is a technology that uses data collected from user devices connected to the internet. The large volumes of data collected are then analyzed and tracked to understand human behavior. With more and more devices connecting to the internet and more users adopting digital technology, this new technology is going to play a significant role in the big data, analytics, development, and predictive analytics domains. Number 5. Genomics. Can technology study your DNA and help you fight diseases, improve health, etc.? Yes, the field of genomics uses technology, can studies the makeup of your DNA and genes, do their mapping, etc. They'd also help quantify your genes that makes it easier for doctors to find any possible health issues waiting in the dark. There are various technical and non-technical roles available in this field. Tech jobs will include analysis, design, and diagnostics, while non-tech jobs will include theoretical analysis and research.